Welcome to qnawire.
In number 9, an integral from 0 to 1 of x cubed times 2x to the 4th plus 3 squared dx. If we substitute u being the quantity 2x fourth plus 3, then du dx would be 8x cubed, and dx would be 1 over 8x cubed du. So that would be equal to 1/8 times the integral of u squared du. And so now applying the power rule, we would get u to the nth du, which would be u to the n plus 1 over n plus 1, and where n would be equal to 2. And so that'd be u to the third over 3. And if we plug in the solved integrals, then we would have 1/8 times the integral of u squared du, which would be u cubed over 8 times 3, or 24. And now we substitute back in for u the quantity 2x to the 4th plus 3 cubed over 24. And then the general would be plus c, but we want the definite integral from 0 to 1, and so that would be equal to 1 would be 2 plus 3, that's 5. Let's see, that would be 5 cubed is 125 over 24, minus when you plug in 0 would be 3 cubed, which is 27 over 24, which is 98 over 24, or 49 over 12. Number 10, we want the definite integral from 1 to 7 of 1 over the square root of 8x plus 8 dx. Let's substitute 8x plus 8 for u, and then du dx would be equal to 8, and so dx would be 1/8 du. And if we apply the power rule, where the integral of u to the n du is u to the n plus 1 over n plus 1, where n here, since it were dividing by a square root, would be to the negative 1/2. And so this would be 2 square root u. And then that would mean by, with our solved integrals, it would be 1/8 times the integral of 1 over the square root of u du would be the square root of u over 4. That's 2 times 1/8 is 1/4. And then substituting u back in, we have the square root of 8x plus 8 over 4. In general, that would be plus c, but we're doing the definite integral from 1 to 7. And so that would be, let's see, if we do 7, that would be 56 plus 8, which is 64. The square root of 64 is 8. And then if we plug in 1, we get 8 plus 8 is 16. The square root of 16 is 4. 8 minus 4 is 4 over 4 is 1.